Now let us study how to show irrational number on number line. You know how to show the integers on number line. Suppose if you want to show the integers on number line, you have studied from 6th standard onward. That what you do, you draw a line, isn't it? Like this. Then you mark 0 somewhere, 1, 2, 3, like this. And to the left hand side of 0, the opposite of 1 is -1, opposite of -2, -3, like that. But if you want to show irrational number, for example, on this number line, you can easily show the irrational number. How? Suppose you are asked. Now what is root 4? Root 4 is equal to 2 here, isn't it? But what is root 3 now? It will be after root 4, means between 2 and 3. Like that you can guess. But suppose if you are asked, show root 2 on number line, then what to do? How to show it? Now see here. As usual, you draw a number line, or you draw a line, sorry. You draw a line. Root 2 means it is 1 point something. And that counts, now see, always we start to count from 0, isn't it? Measure the distance from 0. Suppose here it is distance 0. At this particular point. Say this is point A. Now from 0, at a certain distance, you mark as distance at point B. Say it is 1 unit. Not 1 unit. It may be 1 centimeter, 1 meter, like that, isn't it? So I have not measured this distance. Now what you have to do, at this point B, you have to draw perpendicular to this line. By, you can take the protractor, keep here, mark here 90 degree. Now with the help of compass, if you want, you can draw the perpendicular like this. See. So how to construct perpendicular? You construct here, then here, then keep the compass here, draw the R, and then keep here and draw the R. This construction you have studied how to draw the perpendicular to a given line from a point. Then this is the perpendicular at B, isn't it? This is perpendicular. But now there is no need that you have to take compass and draw the perpendicular. What you can do, you can keep here protractor. At present I have no protractor. So or even if you have skill, you can directly draw a perpendicular with the rulers. So suppose if I am going to draw like this, at this particular point, say straight line like this. It should make 90 degree with this line, isn't it? So this is perpendicular. Even with the help of ruler, if you know, you can draw that perpendicular. Then what you have to do, see from 0, from point A at a distance of 1 unit, I have marked this point B, isn't it? So you take exactly the same distance with the help of compass. Take this distance, okay? And keep the compass on B, and you take 1 unit distance on the perpendicular that you have drawn. Means what? Keep at B and mark here, same distance. So if this is from here to here, it is 1 unit. From here to here, it is also how much? It is also 1 unit. So now, say this is AB, suppose this is point C, this is also 1 unit. Now, you join point C to A. See, this is 0, from here to here it is 1, and we have taken length on perpendiculars. That we have done is 1 unit. Now this is perpendicular base, this is 90. What type of angle? What type of triangle, sorry? It is now right angle triangle. Now from this right angle triangle, we can calculate length OC. How? It is right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle, if you know length of two sides, you can calculate length of third side by using Pythagoras theorem. So suppose we want to measure OC, what we shall write? OC square should be equal to OB square plus BC square. So OC square is equal to OB. OB how much? We have taken 1 unit. 1 square. Again by construction BC is also 1 square. So OC square is equal to 1 plus 1. OC square is equal to 2, or OC is equal to how much? When you remove the square, you have to apply square. So this distance becomes root 2. Isn't it? Now what you have to do? With center O and radius OC equal to AC, you draw a arc which will intersect your line at a particular point. So if this is root 2, this is also root 2 because it is same radius, isn't it? So this point now, if you are writing it here as P represent root 2 from 0 here root 2. Okay, so this is how. Now no need to show this calculation. Okay, see what you have to do. Take 0 from 0 at a particular distance. You mark another point B, that distance 1 unit. From B you draw perpendicular to the line, and on that perpendicular with the help of compass you measure this distance, and with keeping compass B you draw the arc which intersect the perpendicular. Then join OC, and taking OC as radius you draw the arc which intersect your line. That particular point represent root 2 on number line. Okay, so this point indicate what? Root 2. Okay.